Hi, this is Bob Mason from FX Empire and welcome to the weekly crypto tech review. This week we're looking at Bitcoin and Ethereum again. We'll be looking at the MACDs, the moving averages, the week's support resistance pivot levels and the Fibonacci's. This is the weekly tech analysis for the week ending June 13th. Looking at Bitcoin against the US dollar and the daily candlesticks, bullish start to the week on Monday morning. Gonna need to see Bitcoin avoid a fall back through the pivot at 36,474 to take a run at the first major resistance level sitting at 38,788. Gonna need to see support from the broader market for Bitcoin to break back through to 38,000 levels. So barring an extended rally in the week, expect first major resistance level at 38,788 and last week's high at 39,482 to cap any upside. In the event of an extended rally, should see Bitcoin target 43,000 levels before any pullback. Got the second major resistance level at 41,796 and gonna need to see support from the broader market for Bitcoin to break through the 38.2% fib at 41,592. A fallback through the pivot will bring the first major support level at 33,466 into play. Barring an extended sell-off in the week, Bitcoin should avoid sub 30,000 levels. Second major support level at 31,152 should limit the downside. Looking at the MACDs, we've got a widening of the bullish histogram at turn of the week, supporting the early upside. On the EMAs, it's a bearish indicator, however, after the bearish cross through late May. We've got the 50 pulling further back from the 100 and closing in on the 200, suggesting further downside ahead. So key through the early part of the week, avoid a fallback through the pivot at 36,474 and break back through to 38,000 levels to bring resistance levels into play. Failure to do that and support levels will come into play. Moving across to Ethereum against the US dollar, also bullish start to the week. Gonna need to see Ethereum avoid a fallback through the 38.2% fib at 2740 and the pivot at 2625 to support a run at the first major resistance level at 2976. Gonna need to see support from the broader market for Ethereum to break out from last week's high. That was at 2890, however. So barring an extended rally in the week, expect that first major resistance level and a resistance at 3000 to cap any upside. In the event of an extended rally, should see Ethereum target the 23.6% fib at 3369 before any pullback. Second major resistance level sits at 3240. A fallback through the 38.2% fib and the pivot at 2625 will bring the first major support level at 2361 into play. Barring an extended sell-off in the week, Ethereum should avoid sub 2000 levels. Second major support level at 2011 should limit the downside. Looking at the MACD, we have a widening of the bullish histograms at the turn of the week after last week's bullish cross. That's supporting this early upside. On the EMAs, 50 is holding its ground against the 100 and the 200, so it's still a bullish indicator suggesting further upside ahead. So key would be to avoid a fallback through the 38.2% fib at 2740 and avoid the pivot at 2625 to take a run at the first major resistance level. Failure to do that, support levels will come into play.